Hello squad. So in this video, I'm gonna explain how we can remove any element that we want to. For example, see here, when I try to print this variable that is menu card, so I have got all the items of it. Ice cream, Hyderabadi biryani, noodles, chicken, juices, and momos. So out of all these items, I would like to remove ice cream because now I have started going to gym. Now I would like to cut down all the sugars. So when you say sugars, ice cream is the object or ice cream is the item. It has more content of sugar. So I would like to cut it down. So if you want to remove this, when I say remove, I would no longer need this item. So I don't want ice cream in future. So I want to remove this permanently. So if you want to remove this any item, if you want to remove any item permanently from a list, we have to use del keyword. So del is nothing but delete. So if you want to delete, you have to use this del keyword and give some space, and then you have to mention the variable that is menu. Inside menu, what is the item that you would like to delete? For example, if I want to delete ice cream, I would like to pass that particular index. So for ice cream, which is in first position, the index would be 0. So this is what now, if I try to print this menu, let's see what happens. I'm just saving this file and I'm just clearing the output. Now if I hit run, see here, at first, this print menu has executed the older version of it, that is ice cream, Hyderabadi biryani, noodles, chicken, juices, momos. Now, after executing this del keyword and I'm just printing it out, now I have got Hyderabadi biryani in the first place, so that ice cream has got removed permanently. So, after noodles, chicken, juices, momos. So, that's how you can remove any item that you would like to. You just have to use this del keyword and you have to pass the variable. Inside a variable, you have to pass that particular index position that you would like to remove. That's it.